I'm gonna show you how to tell if your propane tank has expired or not. Only thing you have to do is look here on the top edge right here, and you will see a date. That date right there is 02-11, so that's February 2011. So you have 12 years from that date. So this tank will expire 02/23. So in February 2023, this tank will expire. Now you can get it recertified for an additional 5 years only. So if you get it recertified on February 2023, it'll be good for February 2028. So that's how you can tell if your tank has expired. So if you're purchasing a tank from somebody, make sure that that tank isn't over 12 years old. If it is, you need to go get it recertified. Okay, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.